What's up?
Hey.
Can we shoot Friday Fails?
Mic check 1 2. Check mic 1 2.
Welcome to Friday Fails. Dot dot dot. Huh? Oh my gosh, dude. What episode is this, Carson? Episode number 9. If you're new here, what we do is we take subscriber-submitted videos. Usually those are crashes or close to. We break those down to help you not die when you're riding your motorcycle. This episode just happens to be brought by our very own shop at mxf.com. If you're wanting to get some merch, make sure you check that out. I'm not sure if this shirt's on there, but I think it is, but we got tons of other cool stuff.
We got this shirt on there right here. This one right here. The
Our camera guy just went like this, and I'm not really sure what he was looking for there.
5-0. 5-0. Are the cops here? Cops are here. Cops are here.
Okay, cops are here. Cops are here. We're out. If we get 500 likes in this video, which clearly we're going to get like 5,000, we're going to start dropping 2 videos a week on this channel, and the other one will be a crash compilation from all of our subscriber-submitted videos. So if you don't make the cut, you will likely make that.
Can't wait for
So
that.
make sure you're sending in your videos and make sure that you're hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and all the bull crap that all these YouTubers have to say that we don't really like to say, but it's just what you got to do. So just do it. Come on, show us some love, right?
Please, just do it.
Yeah, come on. YouTubers. YouTubers are weird. All right, let's get right into the first one. I don't want to talk too long. All right, we got Max Moganson. We were on the trail and things didn't go as planned. Enjoy the crash. Okay. Moganson. Why is this all slanted down?
TikTok.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I don't believe this. This isn't the guy.
Is this
the guy? Nah, dude. We just got punked, dude. We just got punked.
On the trail.
There's no way this is the guy, because that dude is R.I.P. He's
Hold on,
done.
I gotta see this again. Oh my. Dude, is that real?
I've seen this, and I've already had like 18 heart attacks due to this video. I think we just got punked by Max.
That's okay.
I don't believe that this is the dude.
Max. Let's imagine it's Max, and let's just give him some feedback.
Okay.
So your first thought, what do you tell Max?
All right, Max, I hope you're still alive.
Max, I'm going to come see you at your grave. Give you a flower or two.
I can't believe that.
No, that crash was too much. We can't even break that down. That's too fast, too aggressive.
No, we can break it down.
We're not breaking that one down.
Okay.
It's really bad. No, go ahead. You got it.
All right, I got to look at this video again because I was just like, I was just like, did we just get punked? Because this dude's a legend.
So apparently he's got a little
He's got some skills because he's wheeling into the hole. But you're going too fast, and that hole is too sharp to wheelie, my friend. And it looks like you're on a WR, so I'm sure your suspension is a little soft.
With a mud hole. Look at the dirt, dude.
Man, he just packs in. There's some things that are physically impossible, and that right there is physically impossible. He should have picked up and wheelied over that hole, not into it.
My Lanta. He landed on his head.
That is one of the gnarliest things I've ever seen, for sure, hands down. That's what nightmares are made of. I wake up in a cold sweat.
Could you just imagine being out on the trail, right? Having a good time with your friend. You're like, hey, let's pull over. I've been wanting to wheelie into this hole and jump out real far. And then this happens.
You're going about 30 miles per hour too fast.
And let's just imagine they're like 15 miles away because they're on bikes that you ride really far.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What do you do?
Well,
crawl?
You pull out that old magical iPhone and you call for help. That's all you can do, man. Hopefully you got signal out there in the boondocks, wherever you're crazy.
I think we got punked. We're not going to... You want to give him some feedback on what he did wrong?
Yeah. I mean, it's lack of timing and judgment. He was going way too fast to wheelie into that hole. It's just something that's physically impossible. The bike blew through the stroke on the suspension. It packed into the hole. You can see dirt coming off the bottom of the casing right there, the dirt bike where the frame is right there.
Look at just how his body collapsed.
Yeah, his body collapsed. I mean, there's some things that are just physically impossible though, and I don't think anybody's riding through that.
He's already trying, I think maybe he was trying to do a front flip.
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe he just missed the front brake there, mistimed it a little bit. He almost had the old front flip dialed. I think he was trying to ride it out into a front flip, honestly.
Honestly, yeah, I think you're right, honestly.
Man, he was on the brakes there. You see his brake light was on there in the air. So he actually hit the rear brake to try to bring the front end down from the look of the brake light right there.
Oh, dude, this guy's dead. We got Ty Safi. We were at OCCRA race. Okra race. There was this double that only a few pros were hitting, and our friend wanted to hit it. Jonas Dutton.
Sounds like a bad idea
And then
already.
this happened, he broke 5 bones in his face. He is fine now, but he has to take a long break from motocross. Hope to be mentioned on next Friday.
Oh, man.
Man. All right, let's see what crushing your face looks like on a dirt bike.
Ah, jeez.
Too fast already.
He's ripping.
Slow down, slow down.
Oh!
Oh, you know, it actually turned out better than I thought.
He got out pretty good. I mean, honestly, I feel like he's unlucky that he broke 5 bones in his face there.
Hold on, let's talk to
That's
Trey
pretty
real
crazy.
quick.
We got an employee in. What's
Are you
up,
good?
Trayvon?
Okay, hold
What
on.
happened? Let's hear it.
Bring Trey on to Friday Fills. Trey, what happened to you last time you were late to work?
They made me swim across a freezing river.
A freezing river.
He did it with me, though.
He cried.
So
I watched.
Did you cry or did you not cry?
it was a slight cry. There was some
It was tears.
It was a mix of hyperventilation and emotions
And
and,
do
cold water.
you think that I'm not willing to go back down there today?
I'm sure you are.
And I'm not getting in the water.
Boy, it's a lot colder today, too. That was during the summer.
We don't do
recommend it.
lateness here at work, and if we do, we punish them like Chinese torture style.
But it's been a long time since then. That was
Yeah.
like overnight.
He slept a lot since then, so he's forgotten. All right, go to work, Trey. We love you. Just don't be late. So anyways, let's go back to this little...
All right, let's talk about it. Hey, the
bringing
place
in a lot
looks
of
luscious.
speed,
A lot
yeah.
of greenery on the 2-stroke.
Really not, actually. He hit
know-
the jump kind of correct.
You can tell.
Can we give him the good
He
form
does
stamp?
have some good. All right. That was good. Better timing. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Good body mechanics there. Good body English. He's doing what he should do there. He's
That's
moving
a
his
little
hips
not as
back
good,
on
yeah.
the jump face, right? But again, soft dirt, super short, sharp landing. These are the doubles that get a lot of people into trouble because it's really hard to time that perfectly where you're not going to get kicked into an endo.
Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like his feet came off when it gave him the old huckabuck, so you got to be a little tighter with your legs to make sure that you can use your feet to kind of clamp the bike and manipulate it how you want to. And then moving into the landing.
Oh, good Lord.
He came up, looks like just a little bit short.
That must have been where he got his face right there, if I had to guess.
We got this paws in a really good spot.
Straight Superman right now. This is paused right where his front wheel's
So let's
touching the
talk
landing.
about Jonas. His best case scenario, really. If he would have went any further in endo, going that fast could be probably a lot worse.
Yeah, for sure. No, he rode out of it well. It was just a tick. If it would have been a tick worse, he would have been flipping over the bars.
Let's just see if we can evaluate just right on the jump face. No, it's pretty good. Honestly, I think that he just misread how soft and short the jump was.
Yeah, I think if his bike would have been like right in the meat of the power and he would have had some explosiveness right at the base of the jump, like honestly for me on a 252 stroke, I'll even tap the clutch just a little bit right at the base of the face to load the bike into the face.
Yeah.
On a jump like that. So yeah, that's just a real tricky one there.
Another good technique is the video that you've seen before this, wheeling into the base of the face, so you're really compressing the suspension and not blowing the front end through. So, you know, you can use that. Don't use it like the guy on the WR did, but you can use it to kind of get through short jumps like that. So anyways, glad this guy's okay and his face is likely healed by now. And he's alive.
Thanks, Ty. Thanks for sharing.
All right, we've got Cole Meller.
13.
Cole Meller. All right, here we go. Hi, I'm Cole. I'm 13 and I'm on a 250 in the video. It was my first race on the 250. Could you break it down for me?
Ripping.
Ooh, this guy stuffed you. But he
it
squared
tucks
him up.
underneath him. All right,
Oh,
we're racing. We're
man.
racing here. It's getting dicey out
is
here.
he in the
Okay,
front?
he's tucking underneath again.
Which one is he? Hopefully he's the outside.
Oh!
Oh, dude, what do you mean? Which one were you? The one that crashed, likely, huh?
I don't know.
Well, thanks for the good, high-quality content.
That was great content.
I think you did nothing wrong. You just got the short end of the stick trying to run it in there on it.
Yeah, it happens, man. That was a racing incident right there. Lines just came together.
Yeah, racing. What you
Seen
want to
that
think
happen
about
many
if you're going to
times.
bump someone, which we don't always encourage, but sometimes it's fun to do.
Ribbons
You at least
racing.
want your handlebar in front of their handlebar. That way they deflect off and you still have control of the front end. Whenever the handlebar hits behind, it usually turns bars or it kind of catches them and yanks them out of your hands or whatever the case may be. But if you're in front of them and you're hitting them more with bike and body, I can't believe we're telling people how to run into people right now.
Don't do it. Wouldn't recommend it.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
Some dads will come trying to beat you up at the local track for sure.
Happens to me all the time.
Hey, I've thrown this guy
I'm
out
a
of
dad
couple
now.
fights.
I'm a dad now, so I can go beat people up, which is going to be kind of
man.
fun. I've been actually feeling pretty saucy lately.
Yeah, he's got dad strength. He looks like the Hulk with his shirt off. You should see this guy when he's angry.
Yeah, actually when I take my shirt off, everything just gets bigger. All right, yeah, Cole, just make sure that if you're gonna whack someone in the corners that you do it at the right time, and that you also get your handlebar ahead of them, and that maybe you even wait to make the pass in a safer place.
Front wheel ahead of their
That was
front wheel.
politically correct, right?
No.
All right, we've got, I'll let you pronounce this one.
Freemanus. Arseny Freemanus.
That's good.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Arseny Freemanus.
I would imagine the J is silent there at the end.
I love your videos, and I appreciate the fact that you do a lot of fun stuff for your subscribers. Do we? We need to do more, actually. Thanks for reminding.
We're going to get creative.
I was also wondering whether you could give a shout out to my racing team, VV Moto and Latvia, or Latvia.
Is that how you say that? I think I mispronounced
It's
that
Latvia.
before.
Latvia?
I'm an idiot.
Anyways, he's an idiot.
I cry at night. I see and hear a couple
I
things
know what
there.
I heard it too. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, it looks like he's coming out of a corner that's kind of whooped out. It's on a sandy track, so there's some big rollers there. I would say, honestly, it sounds like he wasn't in the meat of the power where he needs to be. The bike bogged a little bit, and I think he kind of dropped his front end. And then on top of that, he wasn't in perfect standing position. He was kind of in between standing and sitting, and that's why we see a lot of people crash, whether it be over jumps or on flat ground. Those knees break in front of the ankles, and you're in that weird, I call it the sitting duck position. Yeah.
I like that one. I like that. I'm gonna just watch it one more time through so I can give some more feedback.
There's a nice sunflower there on the outside of the berm.
Yeah, he just stood up one roller too late too.
Yeah. I would have maybe stood through that whole corner.
Yeah, and some of those corners like that, it's nice just to sit early to get the bike to pivot and then stand right back up and ride the last part of the corner standing. Because the rollers happened pretty quick, and what happened was you sat through that first one, so it really compressed the suspension down, and then when you got into the trough or the middle of the next one, you were a little bit sideways and just exaggerated. So stand earlier, and that would be easier in sand tracks like that. And if this is what you ride all the time, you might as well practice that anyway. That's how the fastest guys ride sand.
Posture.
Standing the whole time.
Gotta have good posture
yeah.
too.
Watch our other channel, the MX Factory, with no fails. We've got, actually we have a body position video coming out real shortly. It might even be out when this goes out.
It's a good one.
All right, that was awesome. AJ, glad you're okay. Woo! Ooh, dude. I
this
remember
is a
crash.
classic
Ooh,
one
this
right
is
here.
a
Unadilla.
classic. How are we gonna break this down? Other than
Unadilla.
like James, that was stupid. All right, here we go.
Legends.
Here we go. Here we go.
5,
Here we
4,
go.
3, 2, 1, go.
We got James Stewart, Ricky Carmichael, two of the greatest dirt bike racers to ever swing a leg over a motorcycle. The most influential, the most, I don't know where I'm going with this.
They're
Let's watch
legends.
this. All right, here we go.
Here we
I
go.
think it's
Oh, all right. We're at Dilla.
all right, here we go. James Stewart, Ricky Carmichael. Carmichael
dicing it
passes him up. He squares back underneath him. He's going to try to cut back underneath him. Oh, wrong part of the track. We'll talk to you in a second. Oh, right part of the track. Okay.
Oh, man.
So that was deadly. But here, let's just talk about why they're doing this, right? Like why they're going back and forth. And so like how you make passes with someone that's really good is turning before them, getting on the gas before them. So you can see in the couple corners and the couple areas where they were kind of cutting underneath each other. All that is checking you up, turning, and being able to get on the gas earlier than the other riders so they can drive by them. And so James was trying to do the same thing from the outside. He set up outside, he turned early, and he got on the gas earlier than Ricky, but he didn't expect that Ricky was going to stay that far to the inside. So he landed on him. He's not very good, but to understand like why they're dicing it up like that and something that can help you at home, it's just knowing that the reason that you cut under someone is to get your turn done before they're done, and then you can get on the gas earlier than them and make the pass. It's actually probably a better way to make a pass than our first guy on this video, or second, whatever it was.
No, for sure.
Yeah, cut underneath
No
them.
contact.
No contact.
Most of the time.
Yeah, and if you're really good at it, it actually looks really cool, and you can like, when I do it, I'm like, oh, I punked him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got him
you
good.
It's some good trickery sometimes.
Yeah, some good trickery, because it's more of a timing thing. Like you're inside the other rider's brain, and you're timing when they're going to get on the brakes and when they're going to get on the gas, and you're countering that by doing it a little earlier. It's pretty fun, actually. I like it.
Oh,
James used to mess with me so hard when I rode with him. It was constant, like, how quickly can we take Tyler out? Especially on Supercross.
That's why he's so salty these days.
That's why I get so angry so easily. I've never really had the conversation, had closure with him.
He's different off camera, everybody.
He just quit.
Real mean guy.
And wouldn't talk to anyone. And I never got to talk to him about why he used to pick on me so hard.
I don't know, man.
Anyways, that was Ray Carmichael, James Stewart breakdown. Do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, I mean, James just thought he was going to fade out. He was anticipating that he was going to fade out right there, and he didn't fade out. That's why their lines came together.
Faded out?
I don't know. What's faded out? I don't normally cut my hair that short.
Why'd you get so red?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? You're red.
Did I turn red?
You turned beet red.
I don't know. What's faded out mean?
All right, we hope you liked this episode. We've got like 27 more. Actually, we only got 8 more over there. And if we hit like 1 million likes on this, it'd be super great. Did we mention that in the beginning of the video? Oh, yeah.
He said his head a lot.
Yeah. Like, subscribe. Check out our @the MX Factory Instagram. Our other channel is pretty popping off too. And yeah, we'll see you next time.